G'day everyone, how's it going? Well, that's another year done and dusted. I just wanted to get on here and say thank you to everybody for all the support you guys have given me. It was a bit of a mixed year for me this year. I think I posted about 17 videos, but only 8 of them were actual build videos. And my snapshot for the year looks a bit like this. 2.3 million minutes of watch time, a little bit over 500,000 total views. The chopper bike video is still my most watched video, which is pretty amazing. I had 13,500 likes and 975 comments. So again, I just want to say thanks to all you guys. Those stats, they're not really about me, they're more about you guys. So I can't say it enough. Thank you very much. It's been a crazy year, as you all know, but easily the highlight for me was the Maker meetup that happened recently in Melbourne. I genuinely had a fantastic time, enjoyed myself, and I really enjoyed meeting all the other guys as well. So I'll just leave you with a quick snapshot of my projects this year while I say Merry Christmas to everybody. I hope you have a great relaxing break or holiday season, and let's do it all again next year, just bigger and better.